Welcome to CBSE Science Experiments. Today I am going to discuss about pinhole camera. You can see this is a diagram of pinhole camera, and in this diagram you will see box 1. Here it is box 2. I will explain practically. I will explain that one also. So just look at the picture first. Box 1, box 2, and here one screen is given. That screen actually it is made up of transparent object. Translucent object, not transparent object. It will be of translucent object. You know that translucent objects are those objects through which light can pass partially, not fully. So opaque object is such type of object where through which light cannot pass, but in the case of transparent object light can pass totally, and in the case of translucent object light can pass partially. So there are three types of objects, that is opaque object and transparent object and translucent object. So in this case we have to use a translucent object, for example butter paper, as screen. Okay, so that is the matter. And now next just look at the picture, that there is a hole. That hole, eye hole, means through that eye hole, that hole we can see. Okay, means eye will be placed here. Okay, so screen is over, eye hole is over. Now this is one candle is given. That candle image will be formed on the screen, inverted, means that image will be inverted image. Okay, now this one is the pinhole, means the hole which is just like a pin, means by the help of pin only we have to create the hole. The hole should not be so much enlarged, means the hole of the diameter of the hole should not be so big. Okay, it will be like just pinhole. That's why the name is given pinhole camera. So that is the matter. This is overall introduction about the pinhole camera. Now let's discuss elaborately and let's show the practical. So let's see, this is a pinhole camera, and this pinhole camera is prepared by one of my student. The name is SUSNIK Jana of class 6 has prepared this one. Nice, and it is working nicely also. So you can see here in this pinhole camera there are two boxes are given. This is actually box 1, this is box 1, and this is box 2. Okay, this is box 1 and box 2, and you can see here one hole is given. That hole is actually eye hole. Okay, and screen is actually, this is the screen, butter paper screen, or any type of means translucent object you can place here. Okay, now and you can see this pinhole. This pinhole is actually this one is the pinhole. Okay, so this is everything here about over. Okay, now let's do the practical. Now you can see I'm trying to show you the inverted image of the flame. This is a candle, it is burning, and now if you see this is the candle, and dark room, this is totally dark room, and you can see this portion is having the pinhole, and I am placing this pinhole here, and just if I place my camera, I am trying to show you. Yes, now you can see you can see the inverted image. You can see the inverted image, and if you move the box, means if you insert the box, then you can see the image is decreasing, and now this image is increasing. So this is increasing. This is increasing image. 1 minute. So this is yes. This is increasing image, and now it is decreasing. Again, I am trying to increase the image. So like that way we can increase or decrease the length of the image just by moving this box. It's just by sliding this box we can increase or decrease the size of the image. Okay, so this is today up to this much. Thank you.